I find these little throw rugs really hard to vacuum. It seems to me that like they're always moving around. I have to like put my foot on them and like hold them, and it's really annoying. One thing I recently discovered, and some might call it a life hack, hence the title, is that if I just put them on another carpet instead of keeping them on the floor, that other carpet will hold them stiff and make them much easier to vacuum. It works really well with this rug, though I've done it with some other rugs where it doesn't work as well. Though it's certainly an improvement over doing it on the floor, even for those rugs. The other rug just kind of bunch up some.